Wanyayan, Wanyayan, Wanyangalam Dewa. Karinanami, Jojo Birono, Kayan Man Murangai, Jagun Gunganungo, Brianaju, Barnji Jimmy, Jakan Baran General Goji. Yo, wait, Wanya, hello. With the Gubbi Gubbi Dance Troupe, we are very privileged to be here today celebrating that young fella's birthday. I remember when he was 2 years old, having his second birthday. And I remember he used to come and watch us, because we've been performing out here ever since he was that age. And he used to come and watch us around at the park. We'd be just set up some places, and he'd be there with the bodyguards and everything, and he'd be watching us. Yeah, there he is. Robert, happy birthday, mate. We're just telling a story about you. Just telling a story there, how long we've sort of been associated with the zoo, and we're very privileged, as we said. But I remember Robert used to come watch Salt Time when we'd be here, and make us feel very welcome. And I remember his mum saying, every time Robert sees a black person on the TV screen, he says, that's the Gubbi Gubbi. No. Well, yeah, close. Hey, thank you, Robert. Thanks for your hospitality, inviting us out here on a very special occasion to celebrate your 18th birthday. I hope you have a great day, matey. From our family to your family, Galangonyin, thank you very much. So we're going to celebrate it with another song and dance that we always sing, and we get the opportunity to sing out here at Biwa. Biwa in our language does refer to the wedge-tailed eagle. Biwa refers to something rising up high, thrusting high up in the sky. So I saw that wedge-tailed eagle here too. So our job was really to look after wedge-tail, look after the eagles, look after the smallest to the largest and everything in between. And so we were the custodians of this great landscape, and now that everybody lives here today, everybody that lives here and walks this land are the next people to be the carers for the next generation. So this one song talks about that, so we're going to use it as a welcoming gesture, celebration. Well, we'll do one more crockery for you, but we really appreciate being here. And yes, we did make it stop raining. Hey, just quietly, every time, a lot of time we come out to do the Croxium, and it's been raining a little bit with our show on, it sort of stops for a bit, just quietly. But yeah, I don't know. But we're going to use this next song as a farewell song and thank you song. This one's called Gunga, Dance of the Sea Eagle. We're fishermen. Our family is fishermen for many generations. We continue on their traditions and know our seasons, knowing that the red stringy bark is related to the mullet run. When that tree starts to shed its bark, the families know that mullet are getting ready to come up into our warm temperature waters. Hope you got your spears, hope you got your nets, hope you got your canoes ready, because they'll be here in great numbers. So this one here talks about that season, and the first animal to begin the hunt was the sea eagles. Taught us not to hunt the lead fish, only the followers. Yo, wait, Gunga, Dance of the Sea Eagle. California. 강가양간 고방가져라 그래자들만 학교란 양간 강가비jel리 효배 만져라 강가양간 고방가져라 그래자들만 학교란 양간 강가비jel리 효배 만져라 고방가져라 강가양간 고방가져라 그래자들만 학교란 양간 강가비jel리 효배 만져라 고방가져라 강가양간 고방가져라 그래자들만 학교란 양간 강가비jel리 효배 만져라 Your way, on behalf of the Gubbi Gubbi Dance Troupe, our families, thank you very much. Hope you enjoy the rest of the show soon. Happy birthday, Robert. Have a great day, matey. Your way.
Oh, they're already gone out. This is the camera.
Thank you.